ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Welcome to Samyada E-Classes children. Myself Tawfiq M. Kolur and I am teaching class House of Mirrors and I am in Assistant Master in Government Urdu LPS Hatti. Hello, good morning children. How are you all? Hope everyone are keeping fine. Okay children? Children, you are enjoying at home. Today before starting the lesson, you should be ready with your textbook, pencil and as well as your notebook. Okay children? Good. Dear student, please watch this video.
Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice, which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I eat some deli with milk and rice. Tomatoes are red, beans are green, a brinjal has a crown, just like a queen. Potatoes are brown, onions are pink, carrots have juice, which I can drink. Vegetables make me healthy and wise. I eat some deli with milk and rice.
I will ask you some questions. Please answer me. Okay children? In the last class, where does the dog go? Please tell me children. In the last class, you have already listened that about dogs and about House of Mirrors. This is the second part of that lesson. Okay children? Good. Tell me, in the last class, where does the dog go? Very good. It has gone to the House of Mirrors. Next question children. How many mirrors are there in the house? Tell me children, in this house, for example, in this House of Mirrors, how many mirrors are there in the house? What have you listened? What have you heard in the last class? How many mirrors? Good. There are 1,000 mirrors. How many mirrors? There are 1,000 mirrors. Good. Who learnt about the House of Mirrors? Okay children, please tell me who learnt, who have become to know, who has become to know the House of Mirrors, and there are 1,000 mirrors and he desired to go to that house. Please tell me who learnt about the House of Mirrors. Good. Dog. That's a small dog which is very happy to go to the House of Mirrors. Okay children? Next one. When the dog left the house, what was its thought? Tell me children, when dog left from the house, what was its thought? जब वहां से कुत्ता वापस आ रहा था तो क्या सोचा उसने? Good. I will come back and visit this house again. Okay children? Let's see. Now we have to see the second part of lesson, the House of Mirrors. Okay children? Okay, let's see. Children, I will read. You please repeat after me. Okay children? See here or see your textbook. In the same village, another little dog who was not quite as happy as the first one decided to visit the house. He slowly climbed the stairs and hung his head low as he looked into the door. When he saw the 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs staring back at him, he growled at them and was horrified to see 1,000 little dogs growling back at him. As he left, he thought to himself, that is a horrible place and I will never go back there again. Okay, children, see here. What is the underdog doing here? In the first lesson, we have discussed about, or we have listened about the first dog, the enter to the house of mirrors. In the second class, in the second lesson, we have to see the another little dog, about another little dog. Okay, children, see here, in the same village many years ago, in the far away small village, that is in the same village, another little dog, once more little dog, who was not quite as happy as the first one, decided to visit the house. Second dog is that is thought that I have to visit that house of mirrors. Okay, and he was not happy. When he was going, he was not happy. He was not feeling well. He slowly climbed the stairs and hung his head low as he looked into the door. Children, the second underdog, slowly climbed the stairs and hung his head low as he looked into the door. बच्चों, वो दूसरा कुत्ता गया और आहिस्ता से सीढ़ियां चढ़ा और अपनी गर्दन को, अपने सर को ऐसा अंदर डालकर वहां पर देखने लगा, लेकिन पहले से ही वो कुत्ता क्या था, हैप्पी नहीं था. Who was not quite happy as the first one. That is that another little dog who was not quite as happy as the first one. He was decided to visit the house of mirrors. Okay, children. When he saw the 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs staring back at him, what is he saw there? He saw that there are 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs in the house of mirrors. Why, children? Why are there the dogs looking unfriendly? Because he was not happy, and the same dog will appear in the 1,000 mirrors in the house of mirrors. Okay, children, that dog hasn't know that himself is in the mirror. Okay, children, जो कुत्ता ये नहीं जानता था कि वो खुद ही है जहां पर वो आईने में दिख रहा है. वो खुश नहीं था, इसलिए वहां पर भी उसे अनफ्रेंडली 1000 कुत्ते दिखाई दिए. Okay, children, he growled at them and was horrified to see 1,000 little dogs growling back at him. He growled. Growled means he saw there horrified. He saw by fearing to the 1,000 dogs, other 1,000 dogs in the house of mirrors. As he left, he thought to himself. Children, when he has gone to the house of mirrors, he feel bad and he was not happy, and he saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs in the house of mirrors. When he felt that, he thought to himself that is a horrible place. That place is very fearful. This place was not good. This place is very unfriendly, and I will never go back there again. The dog has thought that I will never come to the mirror of house, because here is 1,000 unfriendly dogs and they are not good to me, and I am very horrible from them. Children, are you understood that? There is himself the dog looking in the mirrors, house of mirrors, but he can't understood that is me, but he understood that there is another 1,000 dogs in the house of mirrors. When he growling, they also growled at him, and when they unhappy, when he unhappy, there are 2 unhappy 1,000 dogs. Okay, children? Yes, here, children. There are unfriendly dog. We are seeing there unfriendly dog. He is already horrible. He is already fear. And see here, children, how it is, how this dog is, the same dog in front of him. Okay, children? This means how we live and the world looks like us, that is ourselves. Okay, children? Next, come to see the new word, children. Okay, children? Growled. 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 What is the meaning of growled? Made a slow sound, usually in anger. See here, children, in the picture, the dog is growled. It is anger. It is anger. Anger means growled. When the second another dog come to the house of mirrors, he growled himself, and the same dog has show in front of him. Okay, children? जैसे ही वो कुत्ता आके ग्रोल्ड किया, जो गुस्से में थोड़ा एंगर में गुस्से में ये किया, गुस्सा दिखाया, तो सामने 1,000 मिरर्स में भी वो पूरा क्या दिखने लगा? ग्रोल्ड ही दिखेगा. यानी कि जैसे हम हैं उसी तरह सारी दुनिया हमें नजर आती है. ओके चिल्ड्रन? नेक्स्ट, ऑफन. ऑफन, OFTEN, ऑफन से टी साइलेंट होता, ऑफन बोल के पढ़ना चाहिए. ओके बच्चों? ऑफन का मीनिंग मेनी टाइम्स, बार बार, फ्रिक्वेंटली, बार बार, अक्सर. वो जो है पहले बार जो कुत्ता आया, द फर्स्ट डॉग हैज कम टू विजिट द हाउस ऑफ मिरर्स. He thought that I will come often, or I will come back here many times. And the another dog, when visit the house of mirrors, he can't say I will come often here, but he, instead of that, he said that I will not come again in this horrible place. Okay, children? Next one, stare. STARE. Stare means look for a long time with eyes wide open. Look here, children. The dog is wide, eyes wide, his eyes openly, and looking the house of mirrors. Okay, children? The dog is staring at him. The dog is staring at him. Means when the dog staring in the house of mirrors, the 1,000 dogs are also see him stare. Okay, children? Good. Next one, horrified. 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 Horrified means shocked very much. Shocked very in the film. See the film. See the photo. What is the type of this man, children? He is a very shocked person. Means मतलब मैं आपको हॉरिफाइड का मतलब समझाना चाह रहा हूं बच्चों. हॉरिफाइड का मतलब है एकदम शॉक होना, एकदम सरप्राइज होना. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? हॉरिफाइड बोलते हैं. When the another dog visit the house of mirrors, when he saw stare at him 1,000 dogs, he horrified, and he decided to I can't come to this home again. Okay, children? He can't come to this house of mirrors again. He decided that he could not come to again in that place. Okay, children? Next one, quit. QUITE. Quit means completely, at all. When the other dog has come to house of mirrors, that is cute as not happy. Okay, children? Completely, that another dog was not happy when the visit to the house of mirrors because he was unfriendly, and that same his same frame, same picture is in front of him in the house of mirrors. When he see that unhappy dogs, on the same time he quit unhappy. Okay, children. Next one, stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. Stairs. Stairs mean a set of steps. See here, children. What is this? This is a set of steps. सीढ़ी ऊपर चढ़ने के सीढ़ी से stairs बोलते हैं. Set of steps. On the first dog and the second dog has come to visit the house. They are come by stairs to the house of mirrors, and they come to know that what are in the house of mirrors. Okay, children. Okay. Now see here. Fill in the blanks are given here. We have to appropriate full this underlines. Okay, children. See here. Complete the following paragraph choosing the words from those given in brackets. In these brackets, there are given some words. We have to choose them and fill the brackets. Okay, children? Fill the blanks. One day, a dog entered the dash of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dash into the same house. Entered another dog. He was not as dash as the other one. He saw many dogs. They started back at him. They were dash. Okay. Tell me, children, what is come in the blanks? One day a dog entered the dash. One day a dog entered the happy or unfriendly or horse or dogs. One day a dog entered the house, goat of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dogs, happy dogs. Into the same house entered another dog. He was not as happy. He was not as happy as the other one. When the dog has gone to the house of mirrors, another dog was not happy as the other one. He saw many dogs. They started back at him. They were unfriendly. Okay, children? They were unfriendly. Let's see the answers. See here, children. One day a dog entered the house of mirrors. He was happy there as he saw many happy dogs. Into the same house entered another dog. He was not as happy as the other one. He saw many dogs. They started back at him. They were unfriendly. Okay, children? Have you understood? Let's see, children. Now we can see match and write each question and with the correct answer. Match and write each question and with the correct answer. See here, children. Number 1. How was the village? How was the village? See in the part B. Village with his ears. He saw 1,000 fleet dogs. He slowly climbed. The dog decided it was a small, faraway village. Okay, children, which one is coming? Good. How was the village? It was a small, faraway village. Very good. Next one, which place did the dog decided to visit, children? Which place the dog decided to visit? Which place did the dog decided to visit? The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. Very good. How did another dog enter the house of mirrors? How did another dog enter the house of mirrors, children? With his ears lifted high and wagging tail. What did another dog see in the house of mirrors? He saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs. Okay, children, let's see the answers of this match of the following. See here, children. How was the village? It was a small, faraway village. Very good. Second one, which place did the dog decided to visit? The dog decided to visit the house of mirrors. How did he look through the doorway? With his ears lifted high and wagging his tail. Good. How did another dog enter the house of mirrors? He slowly climbed the stairs with his head hung low. Okay, children? What did another dog see in the house of mirrors? He saw 1,000 unfriendly looking dogs. Are you understood, children? Next, come to the homework, children. Read the lesson and understood completely at home and answer your teacher's questions related to this topic. Okay, children? You have to read this lesson in the home and understood completely the new words. Okay, children? And also you have to try to say the answers for the related this topic. Okay, children? You have to write down these questions and you have to write those questions answers in your notebook and show it to your teachers. Okay, children? Good. Myself, Tawfiq Kolur, I am assistant teacher, Government Urdu LPS, Hatti, Taluka Sindhanur. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.